Okay, so, last week, I walked into a bank.
Okay, normal start.
The lady at the counter smiled and said, "How can I help you today?"
Easy question. Very standard.
And I looked at her, and I said, "Yes."
Wait, just yes?
One word. That's it. I smiled. She stared at me.
Adam, new.
I panicked. My brain completely stopped. She asked a question and the only word I had was yes.
Oh no, then what?
We both just stood there, in silence. Very long silence.
Oh, that poor woman.
And then I took a breath and I said, "Money, please."
You said money, please?
Like a tiny child. "Money, please." 2 words, big smile.
Oh my goodness, Adam.
She was so kind, so patient. But yeah, that was my first time at a bank. In English.
Okay, and that is exactly why we made this episode.
So nobody ever has to say money please again.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Together.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah. And honestly, if that story didn't make you feel better about your own English, I don't know what will.
Happy to help. With my pain.
We appreciate you. Okay, today's episode, we're at the bank.
The bank, super important. A little scary.
It does not have to be scary. That's the whole point of today.
Okay, teach me, Sarah.
We're going to cover 5 real situations. Opening an account, putting money in, taking money out, checking your balance, and exchanging money.
All the things I did wrong. In one episode.
We're fixing everything today. And hey, if you're new here, hi, welcome. We are so glad you found us.
We're like your 2 English-speaking friends. Except one of us says money please to bank tellers.
No textbooks. No boring grammar charts. Just real conversation. Real situations. Real English.
Like 2 friends talking.
Exactly like that. Okay, let's go. All right. First situation. You walk into a bank. You want to open an account. What do you say?
Okay, I'm already nervous.
You're fine. Don't say money, please. Say this. I'd like to open a bank account.
I'd like to open a bank account. Oh, that actually sounds really good.
Right? And I'd like. It just means I want. But it's polite. It sounds calm, professional.
So I'd like is the grown-up version of I want.
Exactly. You can use it everywhere. I'd like a coffee. I'd like some help. I'd like a nap.
I'd like a nap. Every single day.
Same. Okay, so you say that, and then the bank person asks you a question.
What do they ask?
They'll say, do you want a savings account or a checking account?
Okay, what's the difference?
Great question. A savings account, that's for keeping your money safe. You don't use it every day. It just sits there and grows.
Like a piggy bank, but a real bank.
Kind of, yes. And a checking account, that's for everyday life. Buying groceries, paying rent, getting coffee.
Oh, so checking account equals everyday money. Savings account equals don't touch it.
Perfect. You've got it.
Okay, that's actually simple. Why did I think this was complicated?
Because banks feel serious, but the words are easy. Let's do a role play. I'm the bank person. You walk in.
Okay, I'm walking in. I look confident. I am not confident, but I look it.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Of course. Do you want a savings account or a checking account?
A checking account, please.
Great. Can I see your ID and proof of address?
Proof of address?
That's just something that shows where you live, like a bill, electricity, internet, or a letter. Anything with your name and address on it.
Oh, yes. Here you go.
Perfect. Just fill out this form and we'll get you started.
Okay, that went well. That actually went really well.
See? You are great.
I didn't say money please one single time.
Progress. Real progress.
Okay, so I have my account now. I want to put money in. What's that called?
That's called a deposit, or depositing money.
Depositing. Okay. Say it slowly.
Depositing.
Day, pose, it, ing, depositing.
Yes, perfect. Depositing means putting money into your account.
Got it. And what do I say?
You say, I'd like to deposit some cash.
I'd like to deposit some cash. Simple.
Then they'll ask, how much would you like to deposit?
And I say the amount. Like $200, please.
Exactly. Then they might ask for your bank card to find your account.
Makes sense.
And at the end, always, always ask this one thing.
What?
Can I get a receipt?
Oh, the little paper.
Yes. It shows you everything. How much you put in. When you did it, very useful.
I always lose receipts.
Everyone loses receipts. But still ask for it.
Ask for it. Feel responsible. Lose it immediately. That's my system.
Honestly, that is the system.
Oh, wait. Can I tell you something embarrassing?
Adam, of course you can.
So one time, I went to the bank. I wanted to deposit money. The teller looked at me and said, "Would you like to make a deposit?"
Okay, normal. Good start.
And I thought she said, "Would you like to make a dessert?"
A dessert?
I know. And I actually said, "Oh yes, I love dessert."
Adam,
She looked at me. I looked at her. Nobody moved.
what did you do?
I laughed, very loudly. And then I said, "Sorry. Deposit. Yes, deposit, not dessert.
Deposit, dessert? Okay, they do sound a tiny bit similar.
A tiny bit. My brain was just hungry. Very, very hungry.
Okay, so everyone listening, deposit, bank word, dessert, delicious food, very different situations.
Very different. Please don't confuse them.
Unless you want a very confused bank teller. Okay, next situation. You want to take money out of your account.
That's withdrawing, right?
Yes, withdrawing. Withdrawing.
Withdrawing. Withdrawing.
Perfect. You say, I'd like to withdraw some money.
And they ask how much?
Yes. How much would you like? You say the amount. $60, please.
Easy.
Then they might ask you something helpful.
What?
Would you like small bills?
Small bills. That means, like tens and fives, not one giant $60 bill?
Right, because a $60 bill doesn't even exist.
Oh, right. Good point.
Small bills just mean smaller amounts, easier to use every day.
You can say, "Yes, please. Tens and fives if possible."
Exactly. Okay, let's try the role play.
I'm ready. I'm confident. I've grown since Section 1.
I can see that. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to withdraw some money, please.
Of course. How much?
$60, please.
Can I see your card and ID?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like small bills?
Yes, please. Tens and fives if possible.
No problem. Here's your $60. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
You nailed it. Completely.
I feel like a real adult right now.
You are a real adult, Adam.
I forget sometimes. It's nice to be reminded.
Next one. You want to know how much money is in my account right now?
Ooh, that's checking your balance?
Yes, your balance is the total amount of money in your account.
And I just ask?
You say, can you tell me my account balance?
Can you tell me my account balance? That's it?
That's it. They'll ask for your card and ID. Then they'll tell you something like, your current balance is $1,250.
$1,250. I wish.
And then what do you ask next?
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, you're a natural.
I'm a receipt guy now. It's my personality.
You can also ask, can I get a printout?
Printout, what's that?
It's a paper with all your recent account activity. Money in, money out, your balance, everything on one page.
Oh, like a history of my money.
Exactly. Very useful when you're confused about what happened to your money.
Which is often.
Same. Honestly, same.
Okay, last section. Exchanging money.
Yes. So maybe you're traveling. Or you have a big bill and you need smaller ones?
Oh, this happened to me. I had a $100 bill. A vending machine rejected it 4 times.
Machines are so rude.
So rude. No feelings at all.
So you go to the bank and say, "Can you change this $100 bill into smaller bills?"
Can you change this $100 bill into smaller bills? Got it.
They'll ask, "Would you like 20s, 10s, or 5s?"
And you pick 20s and 10s, please?
Done. Simple. What about exchanging currency, like dollars to euros?
Oh, good question. What do you say?
I'd like to exchange US dollars to euros.
And they ask how much?
Yes. What amount would you like to exchange? Then they tell you the exchange rate.
The rate. What's that exactly?
It's like a price. Today, for example, the rate is $1 to 0.85 euros. So for every dollar, you get 0.85 euros.
So, if I give 200...
You get cent 70 euros.
Got it. Exchange rate. The number that tells you what you get back.
Perfect.
I'm basically a financial expert now.
Almost. Almost there.
Okay, let's review. Fast, easy. Ready?
Ready.
Opening an account?
I'd like to open a bank account.
Depositing money?
I'd like to deposit some cash.
Asking for a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
Withdrawing money?
I'd like to withdraw some money.
Small bills?
Would you like small bills? And you say yes.
Checking your balance?
Can you tell me my account balance?
Exchanging money?
I'd like to exchange US dollars to euros.
That is actually a lot of phrases.
It is. And you just reviewed every single one.
Look at us. We're doing amazing.
We really are. Okay, before we finish, I want to say something real for a second.
Yeah?
If you feel nervous at the bank, that is 100% normal. You are not alone in that feeling.
Not alone at all.
I was nervous. Adam was very nervous.
I said money, please, to a professional adult at a real bank.
And you know what? She still helped you.
She did. She was so kind, so patient.
Bank staff see people from all over the world, every single day. They are used to it. They want to help you.
They've seen everything. Trust me.
You don't need perfect English. You just need a few clear, simple sentences. That's it.
And maybe don't say yes when someone asks how they can help you.
That too. But honestly, even that is okay. You showed up, you tried. That is the hardest part.
Showing up when you're scared, that's brave. That really is brave.
It is. So if you're out there right now, learning English, feeling nervous, feeling unsure, you are doing something amazing. Keep going.
We mean that. We really do.
Every sentence you practice makes the next one a little easier. That's a promise.
Okay. I feel genuinely good right now.
Good. That's exactly the goal.
All right, everyone. That is our episode for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Together. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. The man, the legend, the money please guy.
A true legend.
We really hope today made the bank feel a little less scary and a lot more doable.
Practice these phrases, even just one or two. Say them out loud. Say them to yourself.
In the mirror, in the shower, on the bus, wherever you feel comfortable.
Wherever works.
And hey, we have a question for you this week.
Yes. Drop it in the comments. What is your most embarrassing English moment?
Mine is obviously money please, but I want to hear yours. I need to feel less alone.
We will not judge. We promise.
We might laugh a little, but kindly. Very kindly.
Adam.
Kindly. I said kindly.
If this episode helped you, please follow, subscribe, or leave us a review. It genuinely helps us reach more learners just like you.
And share it with a friend who's learning English. They will thank you.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep speaking. Keep growing.
And please, for the love of everything, do not say money, please.
Goodbye.